Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Honda HR-V. This is Honda's smallest crossover available, but it still has a lot of room. Nice spare tire. Good amount of room back here. Automatic windows, some nice WeatherTech mats. Really nice in here, nice and compact. Like this vent for the passenger side. But yeah. Put it into economy mode at first. This is fitted with Honda's CVT transmission. Not bad at all. Fits the character of the car really well. Meant as kind of like a city car. The HR-V is nice and compact, really easy to drive on these city streets. Not bad acceleration at all for what it is. This one only has just under 26,000 miles. Really fun to drive too, in all honesty. Steering is great, very nimble chassis. I'm impressed. If I'm not mistaken, I think you could have gotten the HR-V in a manual. If so, that would be awesome. I'm thoroughly impressed. I've been wanting to try an HRV for a while. I've heard pretty good things about it, and yeah, I'm definitely impressed. Road noise is not bad at all. Especially given the segment, I thought it would have been a lot louder in here. Wow, rides really, really well. I do like the gauge layout. Really, really nice, easy to read, nice and simple, not overly complicated. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.